down. They want to keep you caged in like a bird. And always accusing you of messing around. Because he don't socialize with family and friends. He don't want you to do so. That's why you can't go to the next level. See, ladies, the sooner you let him go, the quicker success is gonna come to you. The bottom line is, ladies, you're sleeping with the enemy. Get in her way. Whatever it is, it don't matter. I've been slipping out. You're getting in her way. Whatever it is, it don't matter.